Whoa, now YouTube, what's up? Back again with another video. Got my nigga Trey with me.
Right.
About to do some flyby videos because a few people been asking me to load up some clips on YouTube or whatever. So go load up some clips today. Make sure y'all like and subscribe, man. Make sure y'all like and share, man. Share this video, man. But right now, just about to fuck around and do something.
Okay, tell me that's not the nastiest charger y'all seen.
I know Trey a terrible ass cameraman. Nigga kept putting the camera down and shit. But y'all got the point. Did a few flybys for y'all. Y'all been asking for a few clips. But yeah, make sure y'all like and subscribe, man. Like. A lot of likes, a lot of thumbs up on this video, man. Share this thing, man. I'm trying to get my YouTube channel off the ground, man. Like and subscribe, man. I appreciate all the support, dog. All the support. Have a good one.